Wagwan viewers, welcome to the 100% Talent Show brought to you in part by Aqualife, the healthier choice. And it's an exclusive session where we're going to be getting into details with the contestants of 100% Talent, right? And with me I have Caryann Brown. Big up yourself and welcome to the show. You look shy, you look shy.
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Can't you say if you're not shy?
Yeah.
Alright, so give us an introduction of who you are.
Well, hi everybody. My name is Caryann Brown. I am 16 years old, and I love singing, as you all know. Well, I'm a little bit of everything, so yeah.
A little bit of everything, like what?
Like I can dance as well. I can rap.
You can rap?
Yes.
Alright.
I'm not about it for you today.
Alright. So how would you describe your music to the audience?
Well, my music is passionate, really. It's a soulful of me. Like, what should I say? I sing cover version. I do not have an original for myself.
You don't have any originals, okay?
No.
Mad. Alright. So let me ask when did you realize that you wanted to take music seriously?
I was 9 years old.
You was 9 years old. You made a decision there.
Yes.
Oh, me know say you did serious.
I did serious. Ask my mother every time in the bathroom. The baby them can't sleep everywhere all night. My mother say, yeah, what?
So you're ready for like proper productions now and stuff. You're ready for take on the road and stuff. Alright, so where do you reside?
Where do I what?
Where do you come from?
Oh.
That's simple thing, man. Don't worry about it.
I come from Clifton, Bernard, Jazit.
Big up. I have be a talent around, so I can tell you, That's what I say.
Yeah.
Alright, so you have any official songs recorded or you're not going to the studio yet?
Well, no, not as yet. But as I get a good road manager for Power, I surely put up my song into the world, guys. You will hear me. Yeah. Stay tuned though.
Alright, no problem. Alright, move with that. Alright, so let me ask what is your most disappointing moment in music? Whatever happened to you, anywhere at all?
Yeah. So altogether sing, like I was supposed to be the lead singer, Oze.
Yeah.
And I don't know what happened, but
your vocals just gone.
Go away.
Just like what happened to me now.
It go away.
Just like what happened to me now.
The second disappointment was when I was on the show and my audio was very low and was like pouring out everything. So, and I got a low vote that time. So yes.
Alright, so this is a strong question I'm going to ask, Zine. So someone gives you a phone with every single artist number in the phone. Once that phone call them have to answer. Who would be the first artist?
Jada Kingdom.
Cardi
B.
No, only one?
No, I have to call two of them. Two of them.
Alright, no problem. Well, that's not. Alright, so give us your social media handles so the viewers can get them.
Yeah, on Instagram my name is Caryann Indigo. So it's Caryann Indigo. And I must know if it's spelled Indigo. Yeah.
I thought you were full of attitude, more fight. Alright, if you had one chance to say anything to the younger generations, although you're young, but you still have younger than you who pursue the same dreams, what would that be?
Be confident, guys. Please be confident. Love yourself for who you are.
True.
Period.
True.
And a period note, guys. Don't change for nobody. Please. Because that will lead you astray. You see me? Yeah.
Why should people listen to your music though?
I am very, 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 very nice. I'm a very, very nice person, guys. And well, when I sing, I put really much love in my song. So it's like I want to push out the love for everybody. Even people shame themselves because they're fat and them something there. Please do not do that, guys. I love you. Even though I don't know you, I love you guys.
Nice.
So that's why.
Nice. So let's take a look at the television and see what is transpiring right here. This is an image of you singing, right?
Yeah.
Tell us where were you when somebody introduced you to the talent show?
Well, I'm an actress.
You're an actress?
Yes.
So
My road manager, Carnelius.
Yeah.
But I'm an actress.
And how do you feel about the talent show?
Well, it really gives me more of a different personality, really. It make me come out of the shy shell of me,
Right.
You know that, like a cocoon, I mean a butterfly, no, you see it? Yeah.
Flowing with the wind.
So,
You see that?
yeah,
Alright.
so it's a flow. So, yeah.
You look a bit nervous right there though.
I was
Why were you
really
nervous?
nervous because, when it does, I'm ear never look good. I have to look nice.
I
You see
understand.
it?
Image is a part of the
Yes.
whole package.
I really have to look
You
nice.
know,
and
you have to start from
I was a
somewhere
bit
though.
nervous. Really, really nervous.
All right, so are you being supported by your peers and persons in the
Yes,
street?
my mom, my sister, my friends and families. Clark, big up yourself. Anthony, big up yourself. Mom, big up Nira as well. Him support me as well. Mom, big up my mother, Caryann Francis. Mom, big up my grandmother, Erolyn. Yeah, you go, girl. And mom, for big up Iceland. Clifton Bernard, name. And well, who else gonna pick up again? My hairstylist.
Man,
Me. And my mom.
You have a very bright future. I love your smile and thing, and you
Yeah.
will be at the part where you want to be when you leave here. So let me ask you one final thing. Zine, what are your expectations from the 100% talent show?
My expectation.
What do you-
Oh my
you
gosh.
Mhm.
Well, I really don't know as yet.
You don't know as yet?
I'm not sure. But more about the next. Jerry, but every something I go work. I go work.
So you're inspired by Jada, but you will be entering into the music with your own style of Jada Kingdom's
Yeah.
sound, right?
Yeah.
All right, no problem. I can work with that. I understand. All right, so that was Carrie Brown, one of our contestants here at the 100% Talent Show, platforms where you showcase your talent. You know what I mean? You don't know. I am Nero, the outside.
Oh my